Okay, so these are some images that are just watermarked using ChatGPT. And no, we're actually not going to be using the image generation model in ChatGPT. It is not the best way to add a watermark into a picture, especially a repeating watermark like this one. Instead, we want to run a Python code within ChatGPT that lets us add some watermarks into a picture. And that's why, as you can see, the result is basically consistent. It is not changing anything other than adding the watermark on top of the picture. So let me show you how you can easily create a repeating watermark with your own logo on any picture using ChatGPT. So let's get into it. First, let's open ChatGPT. And before we continue, I highly recommend to navigate to your profile, go to settings, and after that, navigate to personalization. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on advanced and make sure that the code is enabled. Now after that, you can start uploading a logo that you want to use as a watermark on the picture. And for this example, I'm going to be using the logo from Mistral, and I highly recommend to use a PNG or transparent picture, and it will actually affect the quality of the result later. So for me, I'll just upload that picture, which is the Mistral logo, and after that you can upload the picture that you want to add the watermark. And in this case, I'm going to use this picture of a fox, and after that, this is the prompt that you can use. And as always, the full prompt is going to be available down in the description down below. You can copy the prompt and let's paste that into ChatGPT. And here there are a few things that you can customize. So you can customize the opacity or the level of transparency of the logo or watermark. You can also adjust the size of the logo or watermark, and some other settings that you can play around, but this is the default setting that I'm going to use. And after that, just send a message and just wait for ChatGPT to execute some Python library, and it will add the logo or the picture into another picture as a watermark. So I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the result. Okay, so the second picture has been watermarked. I'm going to click this download button. And let me just compare the original and the watermark picture. So I have this tool that I can use to compare two different pictures together in one page. Okay, let me just drag and drop the original picture, which is this one. And I'm still waiting for the second picture to be downloaded to my computer. So yeah, it was a rather big picture. And there you go. So this is the result. This is the original picture, and the second one is the picture that has been watermarked with the Mistral logo. And yeah, it is basically a repeating watermark, something that I think you have seen quite often in some images. So this is very useful if you are a photographer, content creator, or perhaps you are doing some work on a business content and you want to add some watermark into your work. You can use ChatGPT because it is free, it is easy to use, and there are plenty of things that you can customize in the prompting. But yeah, that's basically how you can easily apply a repeating watermark with your own logo using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.